Hey, welcome back. Let me do my sketch real quick. Now that my sketch is ready, I'm going to create layers for my sketch. I'm going to call it lines or sketches, and then I'm also going to create the layer for the base color, just like the way we do while painting traditionally. So I'm just going to copy the same thing and put it here digitally. I'll first begin with my baseline, with my base color. Yeah. Now I'm going to start painting. In this video I'm using texture brushes. These texture brushes, you can get them on internet everywhere. Yeah, and if you want to use the same texture brushes that I'm using in this video, you will find the link in the description below. Right now I'm trying to smoothen my edges with a eraser tool, and I'm using this soft edge round brush to make sure that my edges are soft. Now that my layers are ready, we're gonna begin now doing the fine things. The beauty in digital art is that when the feature is not in the right place or on its proper position, you don't need to delete or to erase. What you have to do is to select using the lasso tool, use the move tool, and position it in the right position. And you're good to go. Yeah, and one thing that I'd love to remind you, my fellow artist who's watching this video, remember that it's not really important to struggle to be as good as somebody that you admire outside there. But what is most important is you being better than yesterday. And remember, if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember one thing, that you're not watching your TV, your big TV in your living room. This is a YouTube channel that needs to grow. So don't forget to do that.